Alrighty, so anyway, here we are. We're spraying the MAM-FX, half ounce per gallon on 35 gallons per acre, which is a normal dilution rate for this type of foliar spray. We've got awesome hummingbirds out here, guys working on me for years. It's an incredible pilot. As you can see, at the 35 gallon an acre rate, we're getting really good coverage. Really good coverage. We drive it in. We're using a little boron too, also, to help with enhancing the bloom a little bit. We have been just a little deficient in boron. First year that we've ever encountered that. It's pretty weird, but it's happening all around us. And a lot of the PCAs and the experts are not quite sure why it's happening, but it is happening. So we are using that at 1 quart per acre of the protocol borosol, which I believe that the MAM is going to enhance the uptake of that into the tree, which will be very good. So anyway, we'll get this spray done, and then we will basically come back in about a week to 10 days, and we'll do some leak testing, and we'll see how we're looking. We have all the testing that we did beforehand, and we will basically come back and test here, like I said, in 7 to 10 days and see how we look. And then we will know within about 60 days how the set and everything is working out. So I'm real excited about this. There are people all around us right now that are using gibberellic acid. They're spraying on to try and increase their flowering, and the hold of the flowering, the set. We're using the MAM-FX and borosol, so we should have some good data to be able to basically see how some of my friends are doing with the gib acid and how we're doing with the BAM. I think we're going to have some good results here. I'm really feeling good about it. This should provide some real good data for us.